My name is Scott Shepard, and I'm a physical therapist in the Winter Park Jewett Outpatient Clinic. So stretching is something that we found very important for reducing chances of injury and also helping improve somebody's performance. So not only increasing their ability to play their sport at higher levels by prepping their body for the activity that they're about to do, and also reducing injuries along the way. So today I'm going to be showing a two-part exercise program for warm-up, or what I call movement preparation for the sport of golf. So we're going to look at, in the first video, some upper body movements, shoulders and torso stretches and movements that you can do to warm up, and the second part will be the lower body. So these exercises are going to be more specific to golf because we're going to target all the different joints that you would need to use in the golf swing, and we'll try to warm up each joint in isolation, and then you can pull it together back into integration of the full swing once you've warmed up each area. Also, they're easy to do because you can just use a golf club or a stretching pole or a dowel rod, or in some cases even stretch off the side of a golf cart just to get some mobility and make it quick and make it accessible while you're out on the golf course. Okay, so I'll take my golf club, dowel rod, or stretching pole. I'm going to put it across my chest, get into a golf position, set up, and I'm going to start by just doing some rotations of my torso. So I'll turn a little bit to the right and left. Hold for 1, 2, hold for 1, 2. Second thing is I'm going to tilt. So I need to have tilt motion going on. So now I'm going to tilt. And again, hold for 1, 2. Then I'm going to take the club out away from my body and warm up my shoulders by bringing it up and overhead to here. Back to a wide stance and open up my shoulder a little bit for rotation. Finish off just mobilizing my wrist a little bit, stretching out through here. So now for my lower body, I'm going to start off with the dowel rod out to the front, and do a couple little mini squats just to activate my legs. Kind of sit down, hold a little 1, 2, just a partial squat like I'm sitting in a chair. Then I'll take my dowel rod or club, put it out in front of my body, and I'm going to do some kind of twisting of my hips. So I want to turn my hips a little over here to the left, back over here to the right. And this is going to get my hips turning, my pelvis turning, and a little stretch. Then I want to work on my knee and ankle rolling in and out a little bit. So I will set up to here. I'm going to roll my knees a little bit in and a little bit back out, so I can start working on loosening up my hip for rotating in and out. Lastly, I'm going to stretch out my hips a little to the front to allow myself to turn a little bit better through the ball, which is my hip flexor. So I'll stand in here and lean forward just a little bit, stretching out this back leg, holding on to here. A little bit of lean forward, a little bit of pull through the front of my hip. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Ease back, and of course switch over to the other side. So if you have any questions about stretching, warm-up programs, or physical therapy due to injuries, please come in and see us or contact us at Jewett Physical Therapy.